Much pull on it to set it off.
Okay.
What is the poundage on that trigger?
Oh, I don't know.
You didn't test
I don't have a trigger scale. I know it feels light, I know it doesn't to me.
Whatever you like is the one you go for.
Well, like I said, I'll let you try that one. It's just now it's weird. That gun with the 60 grain, I can't use those steel lip mags. I'm on a jet. It takes these cheap ram lines.
Really? Might try that.
That's under.
Oh, it's accurate. It shoots better than I do. You can shoot off the rest. There's like 3 left.
More than that? Okay.
Yeah, because I got 3 for him.
If you want, you can watch him be short.
I don't know how that's got to be yet. That's empty.